and welcome to BLACKHIVE. I created this channel as a platform for us to share digital skills. Digital transformation is on the rise and is affecting all industries. This means we must leverage our technology skills to advance our careers or start a business. If you're looking to advance your career in 2022, I'll be exposing free courses that you can access and learn online. And if you're looking to start a business in 2022, I'll also give you tips, tricks, and tools that you can access for free online to start or grow your business. I do this with step-by-step tutorials on how to grow your business or start a business. If this is the kind of content that you're looking for, please do subscribe to my channel and join the community of people who are looking to learn digital skills.